Good morning, March 26th, Thursday. Just want to make sure that we have our daily agenda video going. We got today, right now, you're watching daily video. That's what's happening right now. And then if you are already complete with your flower model, you're working on your check-in, which is basically an assessment to show me what you understand about flower structure and function. Students that have completed the flower model or the physical health data ideas are meeting today, Thursday at 9 a.m. on Zoom. So I should see DM, Lily, Nadine, Simone, Shania, Felix, Jerry, Yaya, Kimberly, Arabella, Nancy, Serenity, Anise, Taj, Joey, Isaac, Ellen, and Adon to work out some next steps. Really proud of you guys. And remember, if you're done with your flower model, continue working on flower function and structure check-in. You can complete it 2 times and you may use your notes. Additionally, tomorrow is going to be a people-free day. The teachers need to do some training for how we're using our online work. So there's not going to be a new assignment posted for tomorrow. So please spend time reading and working on the physical health data. Looking forward to seeing your work and your models. Have a beautiful day.